Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you are all fine and doing well. Today we are coming with a new lesson. The lesson that we are bringing today is all about conversation. It is not based on a grammar today. Before starting the new lesson, let me tell you one thing. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon to get our new videos on the time. For today's lesson, we have our two great students who have followed all our videos and they have commended us and would like to have a conversation here with us. So we have invited them. They will have a short conversation here and we will discuss some essential parts of regarding with the conversation. What do we need for the first time to start a conversation with someone? We are going to show you all those question that you need to study and you need to focus on if you would like to have a strong conversation in English language as well. So don't want to waste your time anymore. Let me invite those students and have a conversation with them. درنو مینوالو زمونږ او ستاسو درس نن د کنورسیشن د محاورې په اړه باندې دی. دا چې نن مو غوښتل د محاورې په اړه باندې تاسو سره یو ویډیو شیر کړو په دې خاطر باندې چې په تیرو ویډیوګانو کې موږ د ګرامر نه ډېر بحث وکړو خو د ډېرو مینوالو او د ډېرو سبسکرایبرانو خواهش همدغه و چې یعنې تاسو موږ ته په کنورسیشن په محاوره باندې هم یو څه شی راوړاندې کوي. نو په دې خاطر باندې موږ خپل دوه تکړه ځوانان راغوښتلي دي او غواړي چې دوی زموږ سره محاوره وکړي او په دغه یوټیوب چینل کې زموږ سره یو ویډیو باندې کار وکړي. نو دواړو مو راغوښتلي دي دوی سره موږ یو لنډه محاوره کوو. دغه محاوره کې عموما هغه پوښتنې دي کوم چې د یو زده کوونکي لپاره په لومړۍ مرحله کې باید څه شی زده کړي او څه رقم وکولی شي د یو چا سره محاوره وکړي. نو نور مو وخت نه ضایع کوم، راځئ چې دغه دواړو سره خبرې وکړو او یو څه ترې زده کړو. So guys, let's start the conversation with two students here we have. Let's them introduce to you. The first one we have, what's your name please?
Mahir. My name is Mahir.
And what's your name?
My name is Muhammad Riaz.
Muhammad Riaz, and this is Mahir and this is Muhammad Riaz. We have today for a conversation. So let's start with Mr. Mahir. What do you do?
I am a student.
And what do you do?
I am a student.
Where do you study?
I study in Muhammadi Sahilzada High School.
Where do you study?
I am studying Ningrahar High School.
Very good. And what class are you studying?
I am in 10th class.
And what class are you studying?
I am 9th class.
And what position do you hold at your class?
I am first position holder.
And what position do you hold?
I am second position holder.
How many subjects do you study at your school?
We study 16 subjects in our school.
And how many subjects do you study?
16.
What subject do you like a lot, or what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject, math.
And who is your best teacher?
Mr. Amiri is our best teacher.
Who is your best teacher?
My best teacher, Hamid Sanizai.
Very good. And what time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
In 8th class.
At a daytime, what time you go? In the morning, afternoon, or in the evening time?
No, in the morning time.
And what about you? What time do you prefer to go? Morning, afternoon, or evening?
Morning.
Okay, very good. And what do you like a lot to eat? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food, meat.
And when do you cook your favorite food?
I think sometime I cook, for example, in the Eid I eat something and I cook.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook.
How many times do you cook in a week?
Once in a week.
Very good. What is your favorite hobby?
My hobby is playing cricket and also watching TV and playing games.
How many times do you watch TV?
I watch 2 hours in a day.
Very good. And what time do you choose to watch TV?
I prefer to watch TV from 7 to 9.
In the morning or afternoon or evening? What
In
time?
the evening.
Evening time. What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby, football.
Football. When do you play football?
4 o'clock.
Every day do you play football or no?
No, sometime.
Very good. And what do you choose to do a lot in your life?
Yeah, I prefer to study books and read magazine and newspaper.
What books do you read a lot?
I think I like English books, story books and grammar books.
Is there any reason for liking and studying English books?
Yeah, I want to be a strong speaker in English language. Therefore, I want to study different books.
Very good. And what do you choose to do a lot?
I work in media.
For example, what do you use in media?
Facebook, Messenger, YouTube.
And do you have any Facebook ID?
Yes.
What is your Facebook ID?
Muhammad Riyaz Safai.
Very good. What is your great ambition?
My great ambition is development of Afghanistan.
And how one can develop their country?
Yeah, we can develop our country by working hard. We should work for our country and serve our countrymen.
And how you can serve for your countrymen? What can you do for your countrymen?
Now I want to get education, and when I become a doctor I will serve my country, and every person can serve their country by their field. For example, farmer can also serve their country, doctor, engineer, everyone should do their work with honesty.
And what is your future plan? What do you want to become in the future?
Yeah, I want to become a doctor in the future and to serve our countrymen.
Very good. What is your great ambition?
My great ambition, peace of Afghanistan.
How we can establish peace in our country?
Will we all together, peace will come.
Very good. And do you have any daily routine? Can you explain your daily routine to us?
Yeah, I will explain my daily routine. I get up early in the morning at 4 o'clock, and then I get ablution and go to mosque for prayer. After preparing prayer, I come to home, and then I take my breakfast, and then I want to change my clothes for school, and then I go to school. After coming school, I go to course.
And how many cups of tea do you take in the morning?
I think I take 2 cups.
Why? What is the reason you take two? You have to take more than two. What is the reason?
2 cups and 1 bread, it's okay.
It's okay. And do you take any extra things, any extra meal with your tea in the morning?
Yeah, sometimes we cook egg and sometimes we eat yogurt.
And what tea you prefer to drink, black or green?
Black tea is good.
Black tea is good. What are the days of the week?
The days of the week are Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday.
And how many days do we have in 1 week?
So,
7 days. And what is a holiday in your country?
In our country, Friday is holiday.
And what are the months of the year?
the months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Did you focus on him? How many months do we have in 1 year?
Yeah, we have 12 months in a year.
And how many seasons do we have in 1 year?
We have 4 seasons in a year.
Can you name them?
Yeah, spring, summer, fall and winter.
And what is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
What is the reason?
Because spring is the first season of the year and everything is green in this season. The birds sing song and every person is fresh.
What is your favorite season?
I like winter because the weather is very cold.
And do you choose to go to a tour? Do you go on a picnic trip?
Yeah, every year spring come, we go to different places for picnic. For example, sometimes we go to Kunar because it's green, and sometimes we go to Pagman, and sometimes we go to Panjshir and other places.
How do you go there?
Yeah, we go there by bus and by car.
And do you go with your family members or your friends?
Yeah, we go with our friends, school friends and course friends.
Do you go to picnic in winter?
Yes,
Where do you choose to go?
I choose Kabul, Lagman, and things province.
Do you go with your family member or friends?
I go with my friends.
How do you go to Kabul?
I go to Kabul bus and car.
What country do you like a lot?
I think I like Saudi Arabia
What is the reason you like Saudi?
because Saudi is the homeland of our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and there is the home of Allah, Makkah and Kaaba.
Okay, that is why you like
Yeah.
to travel to Saudi
Yeah, I
Arabia.
want to travel to Saudi to perform the pilgrimage.
Do you know how people travel to Saudi?
Yeah, people travel to Saudi by aeroplane.
Can you give us information about the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him?
Yes, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was son of Abdullah, and his mother name was Bibi Amina, and he was born in Saudi Arabia, and he was the honest person in their village, and he was the last prophet of Allah.
Very good. And what country do you like?
I like Afghanistan because
Why?
because it is Muslim country and my home in Afghanistan in
And-
this country.
In this country, in Afghanistan, what province do you live?
I live in Nangarhar province, Besud district.
Very good. What is your native language?
My native language is Pashto.
In Afghanistan, how many languages people speak?
Yeah, in Afghanistan, 32 languages are spoken.
And what language you like a lot?
I think I'm Pashtun, so I like Pashto.
And do you speak any other language without Pashto?
Yeah, Afghanistan have two formal language, Pashto and Dari. Both of them I can speak.
Very good. What is your native language?
My native language Pashto.
And how many languages can you speak?
3.
What are the name of those languages?
Pashto, Dari, and English.
Very good. And what time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning
You wake up very early. What is the reason?
because it is spring, so we should wake up early.
What time do you prefer to go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock,
And how many hours do you study in a day?
and a day I study maybe 3 or 4 hours.
Very good. And what time do you prefer to go to bed?
10 o'clock
And how many hours do you study in one day?
and 4 and 5 o'clock.
Have you visited any other country without Afghanistan?
Yeah, I have visited a lot of country, and one of them is our neighbor country, Pakistan.
What did you do there?
Yeah, I went there for studying.
Oh, what did you study there?
I have studied their school from first class to 6.
And how many years did you spend there?
I think I spent 6 or 7 years there.
Very good. Have you visited any other country without Afghanistan?
Yes, I visited Iran.
Very good. What did you do there?
I was working over there.
Very good. So viewers, this was what we have done in a conversation. Now these two guys are going to speak with each other. Before listening to their conversation, if you didn't subscribe our channel, subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon to get our new videos on time. So let them to speak with each other.
Yeah, hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine.
How is your health?
I'm healthy.
What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Yaz.
And what's your job?
I am a tailor.
Yeah, how is the weather today?
The weather is nice.
What is your religion?
My religion Islam.
What's your nationality?
My nation Afghan.
Yeah, and where are you from?
I am from Nangarhar, from Besud district.
Where do you live?
I live in Nangarhar.
Yeah, what color do you like?
I like white and red.
What do you do in your free time?
I'm busy in media. Hello,
Hi,
how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Are you healthy?
Yeah, I am healthy.
What's your name?
My name is Mahir.
What is your father name?
My father's name is Ali.
What is your job?
I am a student.
What is your country name?
My country name is Afghanistan.
Where do you live?
I live in Nangarhar province.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So viewers, this was all about conversation today we brought to you. Hope you enjoy, you like it, and must share it with your friends. درنو مینوالو دا زموږ د ایزی انګلیش لرنینګ دغه دوه سماره تاسو ولیدله. هغه څوک چې زموږ چینل یې په ترتیبوار مسلسل توګه باندې تعقیب کړی او تاسو په خپله نن نتیجه ولیدله چې څومره ښه محاوره او څومره ښه خبرې یو بل سره دوی محاوره کړلې او زده کړي دي. په دې هیله که غواړئ چې نور هم تاسو څه شی زده کړئ نو زموږ سره پاتې شئ. موږ تر خپل وسه پورې تاسو سره د انګلیسي په زده کړه کې هر ممکنه مرسته کوو. د توجه نه مو یو نړۍ مننه.